Welcome to our newest listing, brand new construction single family home located in the heart of Cutler Bay at 21400 Old Cutler Road. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom single family home with a 2-car garage. It has 2,550 square feet under AC and 3,300 total area in the property. It's going to be listed for $849,000 this week, but if you want to get yourself a private tour to check it out personally, all you got to do is send us a DM and we'll personally show you this property. It's going to sell fast, so I wouldn't take too long in giving us a call to set your appointment. Now, let's go check out the inside. This property offers a lot of luxury finishes throughout the property. It has impact windows throughout, quartz countertops, as you can see behind me, with a waterfall finish, with a double island, which means you can put stuff on both sides of the island. Also, the kitchen cabinets are all the way up to 42 inches high and stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen. Ceiling heights are 10 feet and it's a lot of open space. As you can see, it's open concept leading from your kitchen to your dining room to your living room. Here we have a closer look at the kitchen where you can appreciate the high quality finishes throughout. For example, the quartz countertops and the island with both waterfalls on both sides, and the two-tone kitchen because you have the dark gray cabinets in the island and the 42-inch high white cabinets in the back with stainless steel appliances, and you also have quartz countertops and quartz backsplash. The cool thing is you can see to your entire home, living room, dining room, and it leads you right into your terrace area. Take a look. And like I mentioned before, all windows and doors are impact, leading straight to your terrace, which is almost 200 square feet, which is plenty of space for you to put a nice family table here and your barbecue on the right side, where you can enjoy a hot Miami day without being sunburned from the heat. As you can see, this home has 3.5 bathrooms, plenty of bathrooms for your entire family. If you want a private tour, all you gotta do is send us a message or call us at 305-439-6211. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you soon.